This is Brian at Atlanta Hot Tub Center, and today I would like to discuss manifold plumbing specifically in a hot tub. Now, there's a lot more that goes into plumbing than just this manifold, but I want to talk about manifold specifically. And remember, you know, the plumbing of your hot tub really affects the operation and affects the overall durability, everything, right? As far as pressure goes, jets goes, filtration goes, right? I mean, plumbing is very, very, very important. But again, let's talk about manifolds specifically. What I have in my hand here is a manifold that came out of a Costco tub, okay? Came out of a Strong Spa from Costco. And we are repairing this hot tub, and quite frankly, it's been quite a bit, and I'll tell you why. Take one look at this manifold. You will notice a couple of things, right? First things first, there's no clamps. We want to see clamps on these barbs. But the other thing that really throws me off here, right, is this. This is not PVC. This is made of the Rubbermaid material that you may see on a shelf or something along those lines, and quite frankly, it is not going to hold up like actual real PVC. They use real PVC over here, and then this fake stuff over here, right? Like, I don't understand what they were thinking. And then here, right, this is not good. Look how brittle this tubing is. This is not good. That is not good, right? I mean, at the end of the day, I want to see real PVC, right? I don't want to see this cheap crap that they're using to mass produce hot tubs today, right? And here's the trick, right? What they do in the factory is they basically take these pieces of whatever you want to call this, and they just glue it, and then they just stick it here. They glue it and stick it, glue it and stick it, glue it and stick it, glue it and stick it. But you can see how brittle it is, right? And so, yeah, this thing's leaking all over the place at the customer's house, and we've got to replace it. What I want to do is show you the actual manufacturing process that should have been done here, and that will also show you how to fix your own manifold, right? If you have this set up on your hot tub, well, don't go back with this, all right? Because this is going to cause a problem. This is just a future headache, right? So let's actually put a little bit of a manifold together just to show you really what they should be doing at these factories, all right? So over here on my workbench, I've got a few different things, right? I'm going to set this manifold off to the side. I've got a few different things. I've got, hey, look at real PVC. So I got real PVC, right? And I've got real flex, okay? First, let's look at this manifold, okay? If you do it this way, you could prime each side of this, put glue on each side, right? And don't go crazy with the glue. Don't go overkill. If you put too much glue, that can actually cause a problem. But you always want to slide it in and twist, right? Make sure you spread that glue out really well. And this would be perfectly fine. This is a good way to actually do a manifold. But more of what we're seeing in the industry is this type of setup. Again, real PVC. So from this, what we would do is we would take the primer, okay? And I don't use a lot, right? Real light on the primer, okay? Just go around it like this, all right? Then I'm going to get some glue, like so. All right, we use this glue. It's a more commercial glue, but you can find it on the internet. We love it. It's called Weld On. It's really good stuff. Now I'm going to go around this like so, right? So now I got nice even glue there. And then from this point here, right? Before you put it on there, put your clamp on. But from this point right here, we're going to just slide this right on, right? That is a good joint there. And then from here, we're going to clamp it, right? Now, what I want to talk about, right, is the manufacturing process. And obviously, this takes much longer than somebody just taking this and saying, hey, just slap a bunch of glue on this and quick, right? So this process takes longer, but this, folks, will never leak. All right, that's never going to leak. We've got it glued and clamped, and that's what you want to see on your hot tub. If it is not glued and clamped like that, it is just going to be a future problem, right? Everything's great when it's new, but I'm talking 4, 5, 6, 7 years old. Just like this gentleman, this is not the only manifold we've had to replace in his hot tub. We've replaced 3 manifolds. We've probably replaced 15, 20 actual jets in this gentleman's hot tub, and that's because of this, right? It's just not done right at the factory. And again, what we want to see is this, right? Glued and clamped, right? ready to go. If you have any more questions, please give us a call anytime at 770-558-4496 or visit AtlantaHotTubCenter.com. Thank you.